Okay, so today's video is what's up with the West Seattle Bridge? Okay, so for those of you who are living under a rock or maybe out of town and thinking of moving here, the West Seattle Bridge, which was major, pretty much one of our only transportations to the mainland from the peninsula of West Seattle, closed down at the end of March 2020. Pretty much coincided with, another big event that happened in March of 2020. And it has been closed ever since. So it was supposed to be finished this summer. And now, as you may or may not know, there was a concrete workers' strike. And so that is impacting the construction on the bridge. They are saying, according to King 5, they need 30 truckloads of concrete. And then it takes a while for that concrete to cure. And then once the concrete is in place, they need time to do additional work on it, which all makes sense. They really have run out of wiggle room, just due to worldwide pandemic, due to the snow that we had. So it's causing a delay, and no one is really sure when that strike will end and what the new date is. So I know this is hugely disappointing, particularly if most of us are sitting in line for the First Avenue South Bridge, and it's up as the attached picture, which I took one day while I was waiting for that bridge or waiting to get on the bridge. So I'm just going to read what the Seattle Department of Transportation says at an update every week. And so I'm just going to read what came out on Friday. And what they're saying is there is an ongoing general strike of concrete drivers and concrete plant workers in the Seattle area that involves companies that supply us with concrete for our many active construction projects. This project and several others have had to pause concrete paving work until the strike is resolved. This is a challenge, and we support a fair resolution among the parties. In the near term, we're continuing other project work, and we'll share more about any impacts to this project as information becomes available. Then, in addition to that, though, they do have a program called Flip Your Trip, which is they're very much encouraging people to carpool and also to take public transportation. And I think that is actually a really great idea considering how gas prices are now just skyrocketing. So if you're looking for an alternate means of transportation in and out of West Seattle, I'm going to put the link in the comments. And if you go on there, you'll actually can get $25 of free rides on the water taxi, on the buses. They also have a program with the scooters if you're going shorter distances. And then, of course, carpools and van pools. So that's the update on the Seattle Bridge, and I'll bring you more updates as they come to me. All right, thanks. Have a great day.